Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CivTech Simplified. I am Engineer Imran Aziz, and this channel is prepared and dedicated for the civil engineers or professionals in the field of civil engineering, procurement, or public procurement, especially in USA. We will be discussing various civil engineering topics, and hopefully, you will join us at this platform. And if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. Please come live and ask your questions about the content of CivTech Simplified, which is already on air since last 4 to 5 months. We have uploaded various lectures in different topics of civil engineering. You can access to them, and hopefully most of you have learned a lot, and people who are preparing themselves for the competitive exams or any sort of the job interviews must have gone through the videos at this channel, and hopefully you will be getting some support from this content. We are open here for a live chat and live question answer session. If you have any sort of questions, any clarifications needed regarding our content and our previous lectures, so I will be happy to answer them, and we will be happy to discuss those topics over here. So let me introduce myself before we go further. My name is Engineer Muhammad Imran Aziz. I am from Pakistan, presently working in CivTech Simplified, USA. And I did my civil engineering as a bachelor degree in 2005 and master's in civil engineering in 2014. My field of specialization in civil engineering is urban infrastructure engineering. And after that, I did 2 diplomas in procurement and public procurement and contract management. So those diplomas as well as my basic qualifications helped me a lot to find good jobs. I worked for more than 20 years in the industry. I served as a construction engineer, then switched to the senior level and medium roles. Now currently I am working at director level at one of the public organization. I also do the freelancing jobs and support for the clients in the field of procurement and estimations. So if you want some support or help in USA based public procurement, you can always refer to this channel. We have our email addresses in the description. I can also mention over here in the chat as well. It's civtechsimplified@gmail.com. So you can send your queries, you can send your suggestions, you can send your questions over here, as well as through email address. So hopefully we will be answering them at the earliest. So forum is open for the chat. Please come over here and I am putting my email address in the chat box. You can send your emails, you can send your chats over here so we can discuss. Guys, my email address is CivTech Simplified @gmail.com. It's already mentioned over here, so do come over here. So we started this journey of making the online video. Basically the purpose behind this was to support those people and engineers especially who have recently completed their graduations anywhere in the world, whether they are in subcontinent or in the Europe or any country in the world, because nowadays things have been mobilized and changed to the digital world. So we have to make the things easy for our community and engineers, so that they could get help from the materials. And if they don't have time to go to the books and read all the books and relevant topics, so what we do is we do the research part. We do the research part and we select the topics. We go through the previous exams, papers, and as well as exam material, and we shortlist and select the multiple choice questions which have been already appeared in various exams. So what we do is we bring those questions in the form of a video, in the form of a presentation, and then that presentation is given is given on YouTube, on TikTok and Facebook and all platforms. So what we do is we present those presentations in the form of a video and then bring them in the video form, so that people could at least see and watch those content, and also people with any sort of the disability, or if they are driving or somewhere, they can easily switch to the video part of that lecture if they can't see, or if you can't read the books or presentation. So both options are available for them. I personally went through various interviews in my life, and various job tests, competitive tests, any professional tests. So the issue with me remained always that I was not able to spare time to go through the books. And first, the selection of the relevant book was a difficult task, and if we get the book, then finding and searching the relevant topic, and then sitting on the book for some days, like a week, 10 days, 15 days, is quite a difficult job. So I was not able to spare time for this. Then what I did is I used to do the YouTube videos. I used to see and watch the YouTube videos on those topics, but the relevant materials were very short, and these niches were very short. So I personally thought that why should not this be selected as a niche for making the videos on TikTok as well. So I used those content, and then initially those videos were made through AI voices. I was not able to come due to some issues. I was not able to come in front. What I was doing is I was doing the research part, and then creating the videos through AI voice. Sorry, but the later on my audience and my colleagues told me that this is not an interactive way to engage with the audience. So then later on, since last 2 months, we have been making the video, and I'm coming myself on the camera and presenting that lecture on daily basis even. So now that thing has gone much informative and creative, and it is improving with the passage of the time. You know, in the initial days the content was not uh, up to the mark, but now with the passage of the time we are learning as well, and we are learning with the experiences. So the content has been improved, and hopefully it's a process of learning, so one has to be a student always. So I am also learning. So this forum is also open for you, chat is open, you send me your suggestions that which topics you want me to cover in the future videos. So it will be good for me, and it will give me more knowledge, as well as it will increase my capacity as well. You send me your suggestions that how these videos and how these lectures should move forward, and which topics, although we have covered a lot of topics like strength of materials, surveyings, transportation engineering, building materials, building constructions, and town planning, urban planning, public health engineering. So a lot of topics have already been covered, and presently we are working on the topic. Yesterday and day before yesterday there were two episodes on air, and this topic is very much relevant to the day-to-day use of the civil engineering, and how the civil engineering is contributing to the society, and how there is a global impact of civil engineering, and how civil engineers are contributing to the global community. So that topic is very interesting. We are discussing the roles of civil engineers, we are discussing the capacities and contributions of civil engineering to the world, to the society. So that is also an interesting topic. So hopefully in the coming videos on that topic I will be covering them in much detail, and I again request you to support this cause, because this cause is not for some fun or for some just to get a publicity, but the reason behind this, I already explained that the reason behind this was to support those youngsters and support those young engineers, male female both, who don't have time to go to the bookshop and get the books and sit on the books and read them and prepare them for any sort of the competitive exams. So we are providing, and we are doing the research part for them. We are selecting the books, we are going through the previous exam questions, at least last 4 to 5 years, and within that topic which is there in the week schedule, we select those questions and put it in the form of the presentation. Each video has 25 questions. Initially it was 50, but then we reduced the length of the video because few people suggested that your video is too long, and it is not going to be interactive. So what we did is we shortened that video. We brought that video length from 100 questions to 25 questions. Initially I think it was, in some lectures it was 100, and then later on it was 50, and now we brought it to 25. And 25 is a good number. It's not a very lengthy video. It's hardly 15 to 20 minutes long. So hopefully You guys have gone through these videos. These are available with the same name, CivTech Simplified, at TikTok. These are available at YouTube, Facebook, as well as Instagram. At all platforms, we have the same name, CivTech Simplified. You can search it and you can go through these videos and get help of this material. I already told you that this has been designed very carefully just to help you guys so that you should not miss any chance of losing your chances of getting a good job, or some of the engineers might be preparing themselves for the professional engineer licenses, so they must be doing jobs in the industry and don't have time to sit for the PE exam preparation. So these videos and this content would help them as well. Do come over here, please. Give me your suggestions. Come here and you can discuss any civil engineering related topic. You can send your suggestions over here. We can present any research topic. If any of the engineer or professionals have their topics to discuss over here, so this platform is also open for them as well. We can bring over here. You can send me through email. Email is there in the chat box, you can see. And please share this chat as well as this video with your friends and family, so that everybody could have access to good content and material, and this should help them prepare for the next exam. So this was the purpose, and I can also talk and I can also discuss, if you want, regarding the procurement as well as some pre-qualification processes in the USA, procurement guidelines in the USA. Even we can discuss the various opportunities or various websites where you can find good bidding opportunities in the US. So I have a database with me. I can share that with you guys. And if you have some bidding opportunity and you want to discuss it with me, you want a guideline or some suggestion from me, you want some feedback from me, or you want to have some expert opinion regarding your estimates or your RFPs, your RFI questions, your drawings, you are welcome to share that material or that bidding opportunity advertisement with me, and I will definitely support you. So you can send your suggestions at civtechsimplified@gmail.com. So I have been working for a few clients at sam.gov, which is a public website in the USA, and dealing with the government contracts as well as government bidding opportunities. So I have the experience to working on sam.gov. I have the experience to work at Building Connected. Through Building Connected, we have been submitting various projects and bids for few clients. I can help you in that. I can help you prepare the RFPs on the Building Connected. I can help you prepare the RFIs on the Building Connected. I can help you prepare the bid submissions or estimations, and I can also help my clients or any of the colleagues regarding Procore. I have the experience to working for estimating on Procore. I can help you in the bid bonds. I can help you to fill the questionnaires regarding pre-qualification of health institutes, public institutes, or school districts, pre-qualifications in California or any of the state. I have been working for few clients regarding getting them pre-qualified at various school districts. So at Quality Bidders, I can help you get you pre-qualified for various schools districts where you would be either CUP CCA or the larger projects, whichever you want. So I can help you in that as well. You can bring your suggestions over here, and you can bring your queries, you can bring your opportunities over here. We can discuss it with each other, and then we can come on some strategy that how to move with that further. So it will be it depends on the nature of the job and on time, so that how much time it needed, because I also have other commitments. So if you want me, I can give you my time, and we can discuss the opportunities and way forward, no issue. So these were the portfolios, these were the features which we have and we deal. We can also assist you in making the BOQs, bill of quantities. We can also assist you in the estimations, in reviewing the estimations, taking off the quantities. So we can also prepare for you the bids and quotes, or the quotations, and then you can submit it to the clients. So these are the job descriptions, or you can say the services which CivTech Simplified can offer. I have with me various other civil engineers who are either expert in bills of quantities, in estimation. Some of them are experts in CAD drawings and taking off the quantity. So we have a team of engineers with us. We can work for you. We can give you a good proposal. So please come, do join us, do join this forum, and we are open for discussion. We are open for questions. Bring your questions over here, either at the chat box or at the email address. So hopefully I will be coming live over the weekends. I will see that if we have time during the weekdays, in the evenings or in the morning time, so we can discuss it further. It was the first episode of TikTok Live, although we have been doing it at YouTube Live, but for the TikTok Live, it was our first episode. So it's going good. We are happy that we put some advantage, or we put some added value to the civil engineering community and our colleagues and friends anywhere in the world who are doing a good job. So we can also contribute a little bit into their professional growth. So this was basically the purpose behind creating this channel and creating this community. So please come, please join us at this live session. Bring your questions over here, put your questions in the chat box. We can discuss. If you have any question, if you have any bids, if you have any estimate, you can bring it them. Also you can suggest some topics if you want us that you need material or questions on this topic. So we can make videos on that topic, and if you want PDF of those, we can also share them with you. The PDF would be available. We have with us these videos in presentation PPT form, You can get that from us as well. You can get the PDF copy of these videos and these questions for your future correspondence or for your future record. So we have those with us as well, but you would have to be a bit interactive and frequent viewer of our channel. So, and you will have to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So I will be happy to provide that material to you, and that will definitely help you prepare for any sort of the job interviews and questions. So in the coming days, I'm thinking that I should come live on regular basis, maybe after 2 to 3 days. So what we will be doing is we will be moving forward. We will be going through either our videos which we already shared during the week time. So we can discuss those videos with you guys over here in the TikTok chat, and then I can do procurement exercise with you guys, like I can log into any of the USA public procurement website, and then we can see that which opportunities and options are available over here, and then we can discuss them with you. So that is also a good learning. You can go through that website. You can find if some of the contractors are watching these videos, they can send their queries to us at CivTech Simplified, either in the chat box, or if you want a separate, like you don't want it to be a publicly shared, so you can always send it to us on through email address. We have civtechsimplified@gmail.com. This is our official email address. You can send that to us, and definitely we will put our inputs into that, and we will share with you in a timely manner, so that you could submit it to the clients or whichever you want. So we can also work that. We can also search the bidding opportunities which are due in next 2 weeks. At least some one should have at least 15 days to prepare their bid. So whichever are the bidding opportunities in the coming 15 to 20 days, we can share them as a list over here. So these are our future plans, which I am thinking of, that we should in addition to these videos, we should also work on that as well. So those friends or community members who are interested in the bidding or procurement, so those could also get benefit from that content as well. So this is my strategy and my plan, and please share your suggestions with us, that how you want CivTech Simplified to be in future. How should we bring more quality content, and how can we contribute positively to the civil engineering communities all over the globe. So we will be happy to have your suggestions. We will be happy to address your queries, and we will be happy to address them as well. So the forum is again open to you guys. It was a 30-minute question answers as well as discussion, live lecture. So hopefully you have been viewing our lectures on regular basis. We are presenting initially we did in few videos we did general topics like load tests, concrete testing, whether it is at field level or at lab level. We discussed various types of tests, and then in few videos we discussed the uh, contributions of civil engineering into the global world. So we made few videos on that, but then later on we switched our niche towards the multiple choice exam questions, and we have been making a lot of videos on that topic. So what we do is we do currently we are doing 25 questions, multiple choice questions in each video part, and then those questions are presented in the shape of a presentation, as well as the voice over and the explanatory notes from my side. I will again introduce myself. My self is Engineer Imran Aziz. I am the member of American Society of Civil Engineers. I am also the member of Construction Institute USA. I am the member of two of the professional engineering bodies in Pakistan. So professionally I am a civil engineer. I did bachelor's in civil engineering in 2005. So overall I have 20 years of multiple sector experience in civil engineering. I worked in telecom sector, communications, I worked in development sectors, and I worked in consultancies with World Bank consultancy. I worked as an estimator, I worked as a contract engineer. So I have a diversified sort of CV. So I worked internationally as well with the clients in USA, and I worked in multinational companies in Pakistan as well. So hopefully this cause as well as this practice of making the videos in civil engineering would help civil engineers who are preparing themselves for the competitive exams, or if they have plans in the future to go and appear in the government job tests or any sort of the professional engineering test, so they can refer to the material at CivTech Simplified. So I think that's all for today. Hopefully we will be coming again live tomorrow evening Pakistan time, and it will be morning in USA time. So hopefully it will be again at 7 or 8 maybe. You can send your suggestions to us that which time suits you. So do bring your questions and do bring your suggestions for tomorrow's live session. And tomorrow hopefully I will be presenting some of the presentation, or as we discussed, we can go and have live procurement website open for you, and we can discuss any of the opportunities. So if you guys have time, do come in the tomorrow's session. It will be very interactive. I will be discussing the sam.gov, how you have to shortlist your findings at sam.gov, how you have to make your account, and what are the requirements. I can also move you through the building connected, so we can discuss various features of that as well. So I hope those videos would help you, especially my colleagues and fellows in USA who have construction experience, or maybe they are interested in the construction industry as a subcontractor, so they can also send your queries and suggestions to me, and I will be happy to answer them as well. So that's all. Have a wonderful weekend. So thank you very much and goodbye. We are still available. If you have some topic to discuss over here, we can go through that. No problem. We have few minutes left. Our team told that we have few minutes. As we discussed earlier, the purpose behind CivTech Simplified was to help professional engineers or fresh engineers who have recently completed their degrees and they are struggling to find a good job in the industry or civil in the field of civil engineering. So what we did is we created a channel. Initially it was only for YouTube, and then we switched to the Facebook, Instagram, as well as later on it was made, and I'm thankful to the TikTok to allow us especially live and approving our account. So now we are continuously coming at TikTok, and we are presenting the videos. And what we do is we do presentation, live presentation in the form of a video, and then we present 25 multiple choice questions in each of the video set. So the purpose behind this was to help those fresh engineers who don't have time to sit in the books on the books and get the books in the market and sit and prepare themselves for the exam. So what we do is we do the research part for them. We do the follow up in the last 5-year exams, whether it is in Pakistan it's Federal Public Service Commission, or in India it's SSC FE exams, RRB exam, GATE exam, GATE exam. So we do the research part. We do over a period of time we have been doing these research jobs. So we select a topic for mostly for a week. We select one topic over the week. So in that topic, what we do is we do the research work, and then we make the presentation and multiple choice questions with the answers clearly highlighted, so that people should have some knowledge, and they should if they can't read the books, they can even watch the video and listen the video, and then they would be having a lot of material with them, so they will be ready for their exam and for their job interviews. So in this way we are serving the civil engineering community. So this forum is open for the chat. I will again put my links over here in the chat, so that you could follow us and you could subscribe us. This is our YouTube link. Then we have our TikTok link. Remember, the name is same at all platforms. It's CivTech Simplified.com. So here is the TikTok link for CivTech Simplified. You can click and you can follow us on TikTok. You can also follow us on Facebook. I'm sharing here the link for the Facebook, facebook.com, and then you can enter the CivTech Simplified. Then I will share the link for Instagram. It's instagram.com CivTech Simplified. And then we have CivTech Simplified at gmail.com. This is our email address where you can send your suggestions and we can answer them as well. So as I discussed, we can also provide the services for estimation. We can provide the services for the we can discuss the bidding opportunities, even if it is a small job, so we can discuss it over here as well. Or you can send your suggestions as well as notings at our email address, so we will definitely address that as well. So do come again tomorrow. It will be USA 8 a.m. in the morning, or maybe if you guys want in USA evening, so I can also come again. I know it's the weekend, but yes, over the weekdays, if you guys want, we can also sit and discuss over the week. I'm thankful to TikTok platform that they have provided us this opportunity to use this platform for the benefit of the civil engineering community. The sole purpose behind this platform, making this channel at TikTok, is to support the civil engineering community and to help those civil engineers who are struggling in their careers and they don't have time to read the book. So we are here to solve their queries and help them and support them. So I will again request you guys to come for the live sessions, and these sessions hopefully would help you more effectively. Our goal for this first session was to just have an introduction, and we put our introduction, we put the introduction of our channel, our pages, so that you should have some knowledge and background about the CivTech Simplified, that how they are working and what is the methodology behind and what are the services and what are the level. So that was the purpose to come live for TikTok live session today. So I think we have achieved our goal and purpose. I am again introducing myself because this is a live session. I am Engineer Imran Aziz. I am basically a civil engineer and I did masters in urban infrastructure engineering. So I am open over here for your suggestions, for your discussions, for chat. If you have any questions regarding civil engineering, or if you have any questions or queries regarding my videos, so please come over here and bring your questions. We will definitely support you guys. We will provide the feedback. Let me share this chat. Please join this session. Bring your questions over here regarding CivTech Simplified, feedback, your suggestions, any sort of the clarifications you want. I have shared this chat live info link at Facebook as well. Please join it. Join this session. We are here for next 10 to 15 minutes. You can discuss your questions over here regarding our videos so far. So far we have covered a lot of various topics regarding civil engineering, and these were building material, building construction, surveying, transportation engineering, and estimations, surveying. So mostly I think more than 20 various topics have already been discussed over here, and more than 100 videos have been uploaded so far at our channels. So as I said earlier, that the sole purpose behind creating this page and this channel was to support civil engineers and colleagues who are working hard to get placed in the industry, but they don't have time to go through the materials for their interviews and their exams. So what we do is we do the research part. We find the good material for them, and then we make the presentations out of that lectures and that material, and then we present that presentation in the form of a video. And in each video, previously our practice was to discuss 100 questions in a video. Then we upon request and upon the suggestions of the community, we reduced the length of the video, because people said that it was not so much interactive, and the length was way beyond their consumption. So what we did, we reduced now the length of the video to 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So depending upon the topic and depending upon the questions, mostly the video is from 15 to 20 minutes, so that one should not get bored, and it should be interactive and interesting. So what we do is we prepare 25 questions over each topic, and maybe 4 to 6 or 8 parts over that topic. Like you can say, if one video has 25 questions, so we present normally 150 or 200 questions over each of the topic. So it will become like 6 or 8 parts. So we discussed one part on daily basis, and the reason was so one should not get bored, and the video should be interactive. So now we have so far completed 100 lectures, even more than 100 lectures, and currently the ongoing topic with us is the civil engineering playing a vital role in the society, as well as what global impacts the civil engineering is creating. So we are discussing this very important topic. We have so far discussed the part 1, and today hopefully I will be uploading the part 2. It's also ready, so you can then go through that part as well. And this topic has a lot of day-to-day events and contributions of civil engineers in the society, and how we are contributing as a global cause and impacting the global dynamics. So we have already discussed them. In the part 2, hopefully today or tomorrow you will be getting that part. And if you have some suggestions, like you want me to address some other topics, you can also send your suggestions to us through email, through message, through chat, and then we will definitely make those videos, and we will definitely bring it over here at this forum as well. So each video is posted at YouTube, at Facebook, at TikTok, as well as Instagram. We have same channels available at each platform with the same nomenclature, same name. It's CivTech Simplified. So do come over here and bring your suggestions. We can also discuss the suggestions or the topics which you have shown or you have mentioned. And if you have your own topic or your research and you want to share with the community, so we are also open for you, and we can give you this platform and this opportunity to bring your material over here, and we will present it over here as a co-host, and hopefully this will again pave a way, and it will support the community and civil engineering students who are struggling for their career growth, and that material will definitely help them as well, in addition to CivTech Simplified material. So this is basically purely an academic thought that we want to create a conducive learning environment for the students, for the civil engineers, for the fresh civil engineers, male or female, especially in the developing countries like subcontinent Africans or Middle East, who are struggling for the career growth, and they have to appear in the interviews, and they have to go through the professional tests for their growth in the career, but they don't have the background or don't have the backup knowledge in the civil engineering. So what we do is we refer to important books in the civil engineering, and then we make the videos, and then we make the presentations and discuss each of them over here as a video, and then those videos are uploaded at YouTube, as at Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And the purpose, as I said earlier, is just to support the our civil engineer community. And in the coming days, maybe beyond, I will also work beyond the civil engineering community. I will broadly cover the other topics which are very important, like procurement, contract management, claims, quality assurance, project management. So I will definitely bring that material over here. I have a lot of knowledge and vision for this channel, that how we can make it a success. Even in the future, I can also bring some co-hosts with me who have a lot of diversified experiences in the field, so we can have a talk with them. We can discuss the topics. So it depends on your interest and your support. Do support us by sharing these videos, by sharing this content, and by liking, sending the comments, because these are the requirements to get interacted and get noticed. Do share these videos with your community, within your community, especially with those fresh students or mates who actually needed this content, so that this voice and these lectures could reach to them, and they could get benefit out of this. So do share it with them as well. And please subscribe to our channel at YouTube as well, and follow us at TikTok, Instagram, as well as Facebook. Send us your comments, give thumbs up, and press the bell icons so that our videos would reach you at the earliest, and you are not missing any of the video or any of the topic created by CivTech Simplified. I will also cover the procurement, especially the USA procurement, the various websites where the USA public procurements are advertised, and these would have definitely help the subcontractors and contractors working in the USA to get their bids and get their RFPs and bidding documents ready. I can help you make the pre-qualifications with various government departments in USA, especially the school districts in California or any of the state. So I can go through your documents, your company's document, and I can suggest the improvement. I can fill the forms, templates, and then we can jointly submit them to the clients. So do bring over here your chats, your suggestions. We are open for that. If you have any questions, we are open. You can send your question in the chat box and then we can discuss. So that's all for today. Hope to see you tomorrow, and do bring your questions with you so that we could discuss them over here. So thank you very much and have a nice weekend.